This is Jay Arthur, author of the QI Macros. One of the things we often have to do is manipulate words or text in Excel and get them into some format that we can do something with. Here we have first and last name, but maybe we want to get them all in some sort of order. Now, one of the things that's pretty easy is you can simply select the data, and under the Data tab, you'll see we have something called Text to Columns. And we tell it it's going to be delimited. And we want it delimited by a space. And down here you can see now it's split where we want it to be split. We don't need tabs. And I can click Finish. And it'll split those into two columns. So this is a real easy way to split things. Now if I want to do something similar where we have city, state, Cheyenne, Tucson, whatever, then one of the things I might want to do is strip out the state, because I might want to sort things by state. Right? So all I have to do is type in equal, and then I can go to the formula, and here you can see we have text. And one of the things I'm going to do is go down here to the write function, which I use frequently, and it's going to ask me which text do I want to use. I'm going to use this one, and I want to strip off the right two characters. And then I can take that formula and copy it down, and so now I get all of these. So I'm going to type an equal sign into functions. In text, I'm going to go down and pick mid. And so I'm going to look for Denver. I'm going to start in the first thing, and then I have to look for a comma. So I'm going to use a different formula. So here I'm going to use find. I'm going to look for commas. I'm going to look for that in Denver. And I'm going to start in column 1 or cell 1, and that will go find Denver. Now you can see here it's found it, but it included the comma, so I might have to come back in here and type in -1. So now I've stripped out the cities. And once I've done that, all right, so I have that split out. So now I could sort by state or city or whatever. If I want to turn this into lowercase, I could type equal. And again, there's a function called lower. And I'm going to tell it I want to make Denver lowercase. And it would do that. Or I could say uppercase equals upper. And I could turn Denver back into uppercase. Or I could have something that's proper. And I could say equal proper Denver, and it'll turn it back into something normal. So that's how we can use text formulas in Microsoft Excel. The QI macros have a variety of calculators, and one of them is Excel formulas. So we have all the formulas for converting things from one into another. And so you can find that in the QI macros. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.